Sellafield is the UK's most complex nuclear site. We have lots of unique challenges.
At Sellafield, understanding the condition of facilities and individual asset is important for a current operational capacity, but also long-term requirements. Some of the facilities on site have been operational for 50 plus years. I've been able to carry out inspections into these high hazard environments is critically important for long-term asset care confidence. The reason why these inspections are difficult, the size of the space that you're going into, the fact that there's no light inside these areas, you usually have to go through several metres of concrete to get in there. There's high radiation, potentially high levels of contamination, so putting people into these places is not possible. But the technical limitations for this specific inspection was really the size of the access port. So 19 millimetres diameter meant that we weren't able to find anything that off the shelf, commercially available, that provide us with the required quality inspection footage.
From the old system we had standard definition, it was monochrome, no colour, and a lot of the components, they were exposed externally. So during the deployment they often get damaged. We went through a series of processes to develop new equipment, and eventually we found game changers which allowed us to work with the team we currently have to develop an integrated camera system that met our demands. Camdroid is an integrated camera system used for inspection through 19mm inspection ports. It's a camera on the end of varying lengths of pole that can be deployed from outside of an inspection port into an area that's potentially inaccessible.
So Camdroid is important because it allows us to go through exceedingly small camera access ports and see into large volume areas.
The biggest improvement really is the quality of the image that can be provided from the inspection. From monochrome, which gives you a series of shades of black, white and grey, there's now colour. You can identify what potential degradation mechanisms are in place in the inspection.
It's much more reliable than the previous system that we used, so we're not having to redo inspections, we're not having to take the camera out, put it back in again repeatedly. It's a lot quicker for us to deploy and then move on to the next port. The area that we're deploying the Camdroid into, it's a non-person access area that we inspect every 5 years. Some really important pipe work in there that we need to be able to confirm is in good condition and is going to last the lifetime of the facility. The improved footage allows us to do that more effectively.
It could be used across a wide range of applications across the Sellafield site, including areas in decommissioning where we're potentially drilling pilot holes to look into areas we've never seen before, but it also could be used across the NDASD and into wider industries. So in terms of what's next for Camdroid, we'll continue with the active demonstrations, look towards commercialisation and developing it into a tool that we can use as business as usual and adopt it into our suite of tools that we have available to us for inspection.
Camdroid is a small camera that's going to make a big difference at Sellafield.